Happy New Year's, guys. We're here, we're in the garage. Busy day. Trying to end this year off right. We got the frame horn buzzed on. Like I said, before the year was over, making headway. I had a lot of tows to do. This holiday season keeps me moving. Not enough time in the day. Trying to get everything punched in, crammed in. Like I said, trying to get more videos up. I want to show you what I'm doing. Trying to be involved with my my personal projects, not every aspect of my life. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this up. I gotta clean it up. I want to get some paint on the front of this. I'll show you some footage of working at Deemer's shop, working on his buggy. And I hope everyone has a safe and happy New Year. Be careful out there. Don't do nothing dumb. And we'll see you next year, guys. Celebrate it good for me. Levi.
Fucking fixing some shit.
What is this thing?
Fucking brand new and broke.
Party bus 2. Oh yeah. Is this the new Deemer diesel off-road repair machine?
Fuck it with a smile.
Gotta be happy. How's he already missing part of the sticker? This thing's not like 3 days old. Well, so what's the project here? We got a second battery.
We're gonna hook that one there to that there and that there.
Got a second battery, winch, shenanigans. We're at the Deemer diesel shop. No Deemer to do dieselness.